Uh, Welcome to codersclub.in. In this video, we will look into a tag called as anchor, which is denoted by A. So we are studying about an anchor tag, which is denoted by A, and it has an attribute called as H reference. We will discuss about four different uses of this anchor tag. The first one is jumping. The first one is jumping to a local resource. That means how to jump to a local resource. Second one, jumping to a remote resource. Next, jumping to a JavaScript function. And next, jumping to a section on the same page. So these are the four different ways of using the anchor tag. So what is meant by a local resource? Local resource means, for example, HTML file or whatever it is residing in the same machine. That is what we refer to as a local resource. For example, here fruits.html is residing in the same folder. If it is residing in some other folder, you please indicate the folder here before this file name. So the syntax, the usage is like this: A, H reference, fruits.html and fruits. Okay, these fruits will appear on the screen, and this is the opening tag A, and this is the closing tag, and this is the H reference. So whenever this hyperlink is clicked, so it will go to a resource called as fruits.html. So that means fruits.html will be rendered on the screen. Now, what is meant by jumping to a remote resource? Remote resource means, for example, here I have given an example of facebook.com. So this facebook.com is a remote resource. So we have to give like this: http www.facebook.com. So whenever you click on this hyperlink, so the Facebook's homepage will come on the screen. This is how we are accessing the remote resource. Next, jumping to a JavaScript function. For example, we have a JavaScript function called as foo. Then how to access that? Then you have to write here H reference equal to JavaScript and then the name of the JavaScript function. So this is how you have to jump to a JavaScript function, and then jump into a section on the same page. For example, an HTML page may be lengthy, and whenever a browser renders it on the screen, only the first sections are only available, and we have to scroll down and look into the other content which is on the bottom of the page. So instead of that, you can mark a particular tag by using an ID, and then you can directly jump to that ID. So this is what I have shown here. So this Taj Mahal, #Taj Mahal I have written. That means you go to a tag which is having an ID of Taj Mahal, like that. So all these four different use cases are discussed in four separate videos. Please go through those videos. Next, whenever the cursor is taken to a hyperlink, the cursor changes to a hand symbol, which indicates that the hyperlink is a clickable resource. Please observe this. Generally, the cursor will be an arrow cursor. So whenever you take it to a hyperlink, it changes to a hand symbol, which indicates that it is a clickable resource. Thank you.